A tiny shrimp-like animal hovers in the water, then darts over my foot. Only describing itself to me by its quick motion, and that is all I know of it. It suddenly buries itself in the sandy bottom, where reflected sunlight makes golden nets that stretch and tremble through the constantly flowing waters. The tide ebbs. The sun starts to evaporate the moisture from the top surface of a big rock, part of a jetty that thrusts out from the beach. I see a number of dark periwinkles around and under an algae-sheathed, water-soaked branch that lies there, a source of food for these browsers and vegetarians. They are a common marine snail, used for human food in many parts of the world. And usually so numerous and well known as to be taken for granted. As the water recedes and sinks below the surface of the jetty, the sun beats down, drying the rock. Some of the animals stay under the shade and moisture of the stick. But more begin to move slowly away from it. When these travelers finally reach the edge of the rock, they start down its shaded face. Their dark, whorled shells through an intrinsic part of them are hoisted, moved around, almost in a full circle, seeming to slip loosely over their bodies as they move down. Their black tentacles, like antennae on insects, wave slightly on their snouts, and their slimy foot works slowly down. Their motion is a curious combination of probing, oozing, gliding, and at the same time holding on, assuring the grip with a kind of portentous caution. Since I can easily tip one off with my finger, I also feel a tenuousness about them. In their relation to this realm of tidal power with its constant displacements. But adaptability is probably a better way to think of it. They have lasted in their loose wandering through a period of time which we can only estimate. They have a special authority. As I watch them, it seems to me that no other action is of any more pressing importance during this moment in the scheme of things.